วัวพาสแคทว่าอะไรวันยังคนดังวันอินซารอยังหัวนุกปาพงาก็ประตูหามันนึกกมุกลาเบลาเซวิเลสเงาองกีบรูสีใจสองไปยองพาอาร์คันน้ำรถลิจันดับปริจามูยังงาน
No, leave this, man. Hello Khasi people, kumno plong paralog, welcome back everyone. Hope everyone is doing well, guys. So today we are going to check a latest music video from MONMI, guys. High level, high sheet today, guys. Official music video, hit song for sure, guys. Just know that whenever you're listening to MONMI, guys, I also love reacting to his music video because though he don't keep English subtitle, but I just love his music, guys, because it's always hit. The beat, the vibe, like you will definitely enjoy it. It's a kind of, it has a really amazing vibe, guys. It makes you just feel hot and heat and to dance, guys. So let's check it out, guys, and don't forget, guys, next month I will be coming to Shillong, guys. Hope to meet you all and see you in Cherry Blossom, guys. So don't forget, subscribe, put on the notification bell, guys. Stay tuned in my channel because I will be also doing vlog once I come there. There is no reaction video once I reach Shillong, so I will be making vlog. I will share my love, my experience, and I will try all the Jali Jado, your favorite food of all time, guys. Love you all. Subscribe now, stay tuned, and let's go. Yo, lady. Yo, let's enjoy it.
Bona khna yang ga wali nu ka ma ai nan le awaka sapo daga tabanjan map jor khme chupat ka dastat a ha do wapan ka ta sne wa he ka te ka khonu wa he snong ka wa high level ka wa like class le cha chlong ham thao nang ham anh ham sia ya boy ya tipu pa ko than ya song ka me thu ra ham thao nang ham anh ham sia ya boy ya tipu pa ko than ya song ka me thu ra.
Oh, it's done now. I told you, it's music video is always speed. Let's go.
Idur yang pawa yo ngai mon yo sa de re ya pa hapa hapon idur yang pawa yo ngai mon wo pa sa cat ko olai wan yang kon yang wan in saro yim honu pa banga ka pa ta man ka mu kula mala say we let's now on keep room say just so pa yong pa ar kanam rot li jan da pin jamu yangan.
No, leave this, man.
Devon boy perkhat yang po kamu pam forecast uman po ngale katu ka first and last. Devon boy perkhat yang po kamu pam forecast uman po ngale katu ka first and last. Tora I jana pi eka dola I yo lai bam khanai chapat chakupli. Tora I jana pi eka dola I yo lai bam khanai chapat chakupli.
What is he holding in his hand? Oh, this place is so beautiful. I like it. The building, the pyramid shape.
Idur yang pawa yo ngai mon yo sa di re ya pa hapa hapon idur yang pawa yo ngai mon wo pa sa cat ko olai wan yang kon bang wat in saro yim honu pa banga ka to nga man ka mu khna mala say we let's now on kibru say jai sang pa yong pa ar khanam rot li jan da pin jamu yanga ham thao nang ham anh ham sia ya boy ya tipu pa ko than ya song ka me thu ra.
Let's go. Yo, Bamba Club. I told you guys, I know you all enjoy it. I don't need to ask you if you enjoy it or not, because I know this guy's song is never ever boring, and it is always hit, guys. Most of his song, like this guy, I know, like he knows what he's doing. This is first thing, he knows what he's doing, and he knows what his audience really want. So that is why he's consistent in a particular type of music whenever he produces music. Like if you listen to MONMI or Johnny, these two brothers, guys, they always have like their song always have the similarities compared to all the previous song, because like they know what they're doing exactly, and they know what people need. So they master the business, and they're really making it. Most of their songs are enjoyable. Love it, guys, and I just love it. It's always hit, and I realize one thing, because since their song is always hit and so fast, I think their music video, they're increasing the speed. It's the director, I mean the editor watching here, guys. It's MONMI watching here. So I need to know, I know they're increasing the speed of the video, guys, which really make it so fast and so nice. It's amazing anyway. That is their way of producing music video, and they love it like that, and we also love it, guys. Love from Africa. Thank you so much. See you in Shillong soon. Love you. Till next time.